Direct.me review. This is a game changer. If you're struggling to have your goods or services readily available for sale, or what about your contact information when someone asks? We're moving into a digital world. Having everything accessible digitally is going to help you take care of business. Direct.me is the solution for you. This is one of the best free links in bio if you're a business, if you're an influencer, if you're a person, if you're a designer, a freelancer, a coach, leader, band, retailer, teacher, blogger, anyone with a business card, mortgage broker, insurance brokers, hustlers, grinders, anyone selling a product, this video is for you. In this video, I will explain what Direct.me is, what the link in bio platform is, how you can learn and actually make money with Direct.me, how you can access the actual products, my thoughts as well. So stay tuned at the end. If you have a fundraiser, I have a cool little glitch I'll show you with Direct.me. You'll have something directly you'll be able to link people with. Now, the purpose of High Ticket Affiliate Marketing, this YouTube channel, is to help people make money online, learning ways to leave their 9 to 5, ways to actually generate income to build the wealth that they always looked for. Entrepreneurs and action takers, I want to help them create a six-figure lifestyle, leveraging my multi-millionaire mentorship coaches of high ticket affiliate marketing, and be able to help you step by step through the process with Freedom Breakthrough and bonuses with me. But want to go ahead and make sure we jump right in. But if you are interested in anything regarding to that, please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. All the links for Direct.me is in the description and the bio. In regards to videos, I plan to come out with one at least once a day and be able to hit the bell notification so you'll be able to receive those information as well if that's information you're looking out for. So let's jump right into it. With Direct.me, I found the process of setting up Direct.me very simply and easy. This here is the website. It's very straightforward. It's not just a page. You're able to share digitally and create, post, produce, numerous different things with no types of subscription costs, and you have numerous links that are being allowed with several different themes. So what is Direct.me for? What it is a link in bio platform. So it allows you to create your links for free. And there's many link bio platforms that you might be familiar with, like Bitly or what have you, but their Linktree is another one, but there may be an access fee for a charge. With Direct.me, this is a free platform that they do not have any upsells or charges. So this is something that's for everyone. So they don't have subscriptions or any access or anything like that. So few of their services is all free. So it's a social media platform that allows you to create and manage all your own profiles and links and share your social profile in your media bio. The link in the bio will take people directly to your profile on Direct.me, and then voila, you can actually have numerous links to many websites, blogs, social media websites, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok. You can have collaborations with your blogs as well and earn money directly from Direct.me as well from your profile. And I'll get right into it and show you how that works as well. So you're able to actually create a free page for your fans and followers to be able to find all the different products that you represent and access from your Direct.me profile. Now, for your profile, it serves any audience, and it allows you to create an additional income stream right from your link bio. So let me explain how that can be achieved. What can you offer with Direct access? What can you offer with Direct.me? You can offer video messages. You can where followers can purchase a short video. Premium direct messages. You can have a social action where you can sell social media shout outs, follow backs, follow me, subscribe me like you do on YouTube. You can add your phone call where you can actually connect privately to a buyer to be able to message them directly. You can actually link a video call where you can sell the short video call on whatever platform you would like to work with. A digital product, you can instantly deliver a video, a picture, a PDF to your clients. Physical products, you can sell unique and exclusive products as autographed photos, custom items. And this option allows you specifically to be geared towards fan. So it allows you, it's a simple, easy platform for you to actually be able to have all this information all in one platform. So let's go ahead and take a quick look here on how simple it is to set up a direct.me. So this is the page you will come to create a free page. And as you can see, everything is on one page. You can claim your handle, and you can actually make it branded to connect to your own personal domain as well. Okay, so if you continue, you can actually have your page monetized. And so I'll show you that sneak peek once I show you a picture of my direct.me page. Once you actually, you can do things with the App Store, as you can see. So these apps can be added to your actual platform for direct.me that will help in monetizing whatever you're having on your direct.me. And you can have a standout page, so you can design with your own type of page and template to design and customize it that you want it for yourself, for your clients. And at the bottom of direct.me, there's some popular questions. And again, the link is in the bio for you to be able to go ahead and connect with direct.me. So let me kind of show you what direct.me/being-the-change LLC, our actual direct.me page, takes a look at. So here you can see I have it linking right to our YouTube channel here, where it's able to subscribe right away to our YouTube station. All of our social media icons for Being the Change are listed here: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, okay? The bonus package in regards to working with me with Freedom Breakthrough, the high-ticket affiliate marketing program to help you step-by-step to be able to set up your online business, that's here. As well as, some resources for 𝗠𝗀𝘀𝘁𝘐𝑒Levate-you.com, our eco-affiliate stack. I have that listed here. If someone wants to directly message me, it can be actually connected here as well. So you can put all of these things here on your platform. My MCS program, the partnership that I have in regards to high-ticket affiliate marketing coaching, you can actually get free training here. Resell and keep 100% of the profits in regards to the program here. So I provide so many different free items for people to be able to take advantage of getting started in the affiliate marketing journey if you're not ready as of yet. So there's free PDFs here. There's a PDF for the total money magnetism. There's a free PDF on step-by-step how to walk through and become an affiliate. And there's a free way to get in contact with me right there at the bottom of your direct.me page. So again, this is not needing a website. You don't need anything at all to get started. You can start right now creating your online business just by setting up a direct.me page. So I wanted to make sure I, stuck to my word and show you how, if you have a fundraiser or, a business that's a school that's trying to raise money, why this would be beneficial for you. So here, as you can see where it says send tip. Okay. Now, if you set this up with your PayPal, you're able to receive donations right away to your direct.me through Stripe. So it's a way that you can actually raise money for your organization and receive that money right away free of charge. So again, thank you again for the review of direct.me. Hopefully it's exciting for you as it was for me once I found out about this platform. I thought it was amazing because again, it helps organize your links. You can have them all situated in one place, and it looks more professional and organized when you're talking to your clients. So again, hopefully you found this beneficial. Please don't hesitate to comment in the comments below. And if there's anything else in regards to business resources and how to create the passive wealth that you're looking for, please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you again for watching, and continue to be the change in the community.